Okay, folks, welcome to the Contrarian Trader. This is going to be our swing trade review of Teekay Tankers, symbol TNK. This is the second time that we've traded Teekay Tankers for a profit in the past several weeks. This go around, we booked a 14% profit or $2,300 within a week or so. We opened up the trade on 12/18 and booked profits on 12/23. We were previously stopped out of Teekay Tankers right at about here. We pulled back, retested support at $3.30, and we got back involved with the stock. Because of this bottoming tail, it implied that there was support here. Note the size of this bottoming tail. And there was a little bit of a risk on our side, but we knew where our stop loss order would be. It would be right down below the lows seen on 12/18 with a small loss. No big deal. That's part of the game. Sometimes you need to take a loss. In this case, it turned out to be a profitable trade, and we booked those profits on 12/23. Now we need to really talk about why do we get involved with Teekay Tankers? Why am I so bullish on it? Second time that we've traded TK in the past several weeks. We booked profits on EGLE dry bulk shipping earlier in the year for triple-digit gains. So why was I so bullish on the shipping stocks in 2013? They treated us very well. Well, it began back in late 2012 because we saw a bottoming on the Baltic Dry Sea Index. For those who are not familiar with the Baltic Dry Sea Index, that is the pricing power of dry bulk shippers. And not that Teekay Tankers is a dry bulk shipper. In fact, they're a shipper of crude oil. However, when you see a firming up of the Baltic Dry Sea Index, that shows that there's pricing power among the shipping names, and which would probably include the shippers of oil as well. So we looked to trade EGLE dry bulk shippers, which we did, and booked profits. Then we turned our sights to the non-dry bulk shippers. So let's get back to the Baltic Dry Sea Index, BDI, double bottom setup. Then it pulled back, made a higher low in late December. That sent up another red flag to us that, you know what, the coast may be clear to get long of the shipping names. Let's start doing some due diligence. Fast forward to early 2013, we put in another higher low on the Baltic Dry Sea Index. Our antenna was up. We took a look at the Dow Transports, which had broken out early in the year. And then we started shopping for names that we liked. Case in point, EGLE dry bulk shippers. Again, triple-digit gains on EGLE dry bulk. And we'll be looking to get long of the EGLE dry bulk once again because I like the way we have bottoming tails here in a monthly chart. This implies to us that we're very, very close to getting long of EGLE once again. So members, stay tuned for an alert. Oh, speaking of members, folks, if you're not currently a member of the Contrarian Trader and you're a visitor, I've been getting a lot of emails looking for people to join up. As of right now, the subscription roles are closed due to the fact that I'm a boutique operation. I do not like to have a flood of customers that I can't service. So I'm hiring a new administrative assistant to help me out with emails and prioritizing emails as well as working on the back end of the website. So if you're interested in becoming a member of the Contrarian Trader, please go to the free trial page, enter your name and email address, and we'll certainly get you an alert out once we open up the membership roles. Every once in a while, we will shut down membership for this exact reason. I want to be able to service our existing membership base. We are a full-service trade alert service, and it's very important to me and my reputation to provide one-on-one service. Let's get back to the charts. All right, with regard to Teekay Tankers, why did we get involved with it? Well, yes, we knew that we were breaking out on the daily chart, but what led us even to look at the daily chart? We wanted to take a look at the weekly chart. That gives us a 30,000-foot view. That's what I teach my members. We were breaking out on RSI. This is a classic case of the indicators leading the advance of price action. As you see here, we were making higher lows on the slow stochastics in advance of the price move. We like that. That tells us that we are nearing a breakout on a highly shorted stock So we know that institutional investors will be coming in to buy up the shares because we know that the transports are breaking out. We know that the Baltic Dry Sea Index is breaking out. There are tons of shorts. That means that this sector is going to become in favor and the shorts are going to get murdered. We want to take our pound of flesh out of those shorts. So we have RSI breakout. We have stochastic breakout, which led the way. And then we had our price breakout. And the rest is history. And take a look at your volume bars. Speaking of institutional accumulation, look at the institutional buying. Stoch RSI looks good. There's just simply nothing about this chart that I don't like. So we'll be looking to trade Teekay Tankers once again? Absolutely. But it's got to come to us. If you're looking to buy Teekay Tankers on Monday, you know what? You just may make a profit, but you're not getting in at a good risk to reward entry point. We could go parabolic on this RSI. I may, in fact, be long of it again on a bet that we will go parabolic and use a trailing stop loss order to get out. However, the ideal situation is for it to flag out, create a flag formation, and then look to get back involved with it when you see support, like you saw here. This is a bottoming tail, or like we saw back here when we got involved with it. That's a bottoming tail. That's a sign that people are looking to buy the shares, and that represents a good risk to reward entry point. If you look to buy it right now, you're taking on a lot of risk, and if you don't use a trailing stop loss order, folks, you're probably going to lose money. And I'll say that up front. I don't want you to lose money. Please use a trailing stop loss order on these momentum stocks. And that's it. I wish everybody a very, very Merry New Year, a very profitable New Year. And again, if you're looking to become a member, just enter your name and email address. I hate spam too. You will not be spammed. You will get a notification when we open up the membership rolls, plus our weekly best stock picks. And if you have any questions, shoot me an email, robert@thecontrariantrader.com, and I'll talk to you soon, folks. Be well.